Reliable supply chain management technology is essential to managing your organization's data, resources, and goods as your products move from concept to consumer. Justice Cloud Supply Chain Management Suite is an end-to-end software solution for manufacturing and wholesale businesses, particularly those in the apparel, footwear, and hard goods industries. The suite is anchored by master data for a single source of truth, and it consists of comprehensive capabilities for all your global partners. Uncover patterns in demand across all your channels to accurately plan and forecast at all levels. Achieve traceability of purchasing, manufacturing, and shipping to ensure that procurement is advancing as expected. Enable direct collaboration between your buyers and planners with overseas factories and suppliers, an invaluable capability when attempting to resolve unexpected events. The Unified Order Management System accelerates business-to-business and direct-to-consumer fulfillment at your warehouse by automatically generating pick slips for new orders with available merchandise. Product management capabilities include visibility on current and future inventory availability, the mass maintenance of product attributes, and the management of extended product descriptions for use on your website and digital marketplaces. The suite is secure, stable, and scalable. It's designed to help your organization adapt to disruptions and growing direct-to-consumer expectations for responsiveness. Build an agile and resilient supply chain with Justice End-to-End Supply Chain Management Suite.